Hello, teachers, enthusiasts, and hungry minds. I'm Teacher Cherry, and I will be guiding you on your journey to becoming an awesome teacher. Today, I will be talking about how to teach different age groups, but specifically teaching level 0 students of around the age between 4 and 6 years old. Now, this may seem very easy or very difficult, but with my tips and tricks, you will have loads of fun. First things first, you must get in touch with your inner kid. You know, that part of you that loves to have fun, loves to laugh, and sometimes just be plain silly. You might be the only friendly face that student gets to see all day, and you want them to seek your approval and laugh with you. All right, so when you teach a level 0 student with no English experience, they are usually about 4 to 6 years old. They start very early. So this age group has a very short attention span. There is a formula to actually work this out, where you take the student's age times 2 plus 2. So if you have a student that's only 4 years old, times 2 is 8, so 8 minutes plus 2 comes to 10. They can focus for about 10 minutes. In the beginning, that's not even possible. But there are a few ways to extend the time that they are able to concentrate, and I'm going to share that with you. Okay, so when you teach this level 0 student, you also have to remember you cannot use complicated language. You have to use short, basic sentence structures, present tense, props, and TPR. Who doesn't know what TPR is? It's great to use in your classroom, and it helps the student to read your body language and understand what your instruction is. Let's start with how to use basic language. To prevent confusion and maximize the information retention, you must use short, basic sentence structures and avoid excessive language use, especially with vocabulary drilling. Now, I'm going to make up my own language and give you an instruction. Let's see if you can understand what it is that I need you to do. Nigadi bodangada, ishingim bong dingi ving daddy cherry. Ding dangi bom bambing binganga. Bom bambi danganga. All right, guys, so how did it go? Did you get what I was saying or what I was explaining? No? Well, that's exactly how our students feel when they are being exposed for the first time. They don't understand the language, so we need to use props, TPR, and basic sentences. Let's try that one more time. Dingadi, Teacher Cherry. Baba, hello Cherry. Ningi, Budadi, Budadi. Nandingi ding. All right, guys, as silly as that was, did you understand me better this time round? Great, wonderful, and super. Now, Carissa, say ah, 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 ah.
Ah, ah, ah. Choo, choo, choo.
Good. Ut, 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 ut.
Oh, choo, oh, choo. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Good job. Ut, ut, ut.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
Young learners love to move and dance, so you can use this to your advantage. Some strategies that I use in my classroom that is very effective is I have a tune for each instruction, whether it is a classroom rule or an instruction like circle or say. And I always use the same tune as my students start singing this with me. And obviously, they also then know exactly which instruction it is that I'm giving. When the children are a level 0 student, they are going to learn our body language before they get to learn our language. So by doing TPR and singing an instruction like everybody circle apple, and using this same tune every time we give the instruction, they will know that they are going to circle something. They are going to wait for that pointing to your mouth, as that is the instruction what they have to circle, and they'll start singing it with you too. Carissa can use a pen. Carissa, circle kid, kid. Kid. Id. Kid. Kid. Circle. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Now the next thing we need to tackle is the little brain breaks for our young students. What is a brain break? It's actually very easy. This is a short period of time that you take away from formal learning and allowing the student to relax a bit. How do we do that? How do we create this brain break? Very easy. You can sing a song that the kids are already familiar with. It can be something that's already in your lesson, or you can sing something like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, or Head, Shoulders, Knees and Toes, something they may have heard before, or something they are going to learn very quickly. Now, why do we do this? It allows the student to take a breath. Formal learning is very exhausting, and these poor little ones can't concentrate for so long. So what we do is we create little scenarios where we take them away from the learning environment and then bringing them back. So you can use these kinds of things, even playing a short 1-minute game of Simon Says or Teacher Says, touch your nose. These are really great strategies, and then you can dive right back into the learning environment and carry on with whatever activity you have next. Has a pen. Vet. Has a Very good. And I think we need a brain break. So, high five, Chrissa. Yes, good. Clap. Yes, well done. Now let's do rewards, guys. How many of us love getting praise for a job well done? All of us do. Now with young learners, we can give them a lot of praise words as well as whatever reward system you are using. Let's talk about the reward system. Students love knowing that they did a good job, and it's important for our younger learners to build up self-esteem to try and do something. They may make a mistake and we need to correct it, but the object is we want them to have the confidence to try, even if it is a mistake, and then to reward that effort and saying, wow, nice try. When we build the students' confidence, this assists us in eliciting responses from them. A student that trusts that their effort is going to be appreciated is more willing to take a chance, even if they make a mistake. Always smile and use a variety of praise words and mix it up. Print yourself a cheat sheet and put that somewhere where you can see it off camera. It's difficult to memorize in the beginning, so a cheat sheet is a winner idea to help you change up the way you praise your student and keep it from going stale and boring. All right, guys, so here's a list of words that I use in my lessons when I give praise to my students. Great effort! Nice! Awesome! You got it! Fantabulous! Correct! Perfect! Nicely done! You're number one! Cool beans! Woohoo! These are loads of fun, and once you get the hang of it, you actually start internalizing it and using it sporadically more often. So with vocabulary drilling, you can clap the rhythm while chanting the word, or use the syllables as the rhythm of your chant. So let's see. How about hungry? Hungry. Twinkle. Saturday. Hungry. Twinkle. Saturday. The instruction you can use if you want the kids to join you in this activity could be, show me your hands, or fingers ready. Always use the same tone of voice and the same tune so the kids associate fingers ready with an activity where they will be using their hands to copy you.
Make your hands clap, clap, clap. Make your feet stomp, stomp, stomp. Make your arms chomp, chomp, chomp. Now listen carefully. Everybody follow me and move, move, move to the syllables in words. Let's clap. Classroom. Monkey. Yellow. Dog. Saturday.
student is learning how to interpret your body language with the instruction that you are giving. So, having a facial expression could mean, oh, there's an error we need to correct, or they made the wrong choice and need to choose again. You can give your students the option of going, is it red or purple? See what I did there? I made a question with my face. And that's exactly what you need to do. They are not going to understand you saying, Billy, is the apple red or purple? But they will understand there's a choice to be made between red and purple. Another very effective strategy is using exaggerated facial expressions and voice. Thank you for watching my video and look out for more coming soon. Until then, happy teaching!